After almost 10 years in online business, I have seen business coaches again and again leaving money on the table while constantly trying to get new clients. It's not a marketing problem, it's not a lead generation problem, but it's actually that there are a few vital pieces that most coaches are leaving out of their coaching offers. Now, 3 of these might be familiar to you, but the 4th is actually a hidden tool inside of a business coach's arsenal that actually allowed one of my clients to add $24,000 per year to her bottom line revenue. Let's get into it. Putting together a solid coaching package is the difference between $1,000 coaching package for 3 months of coaching and charging someone $5,000 an hour for your time. Now, you want to get clear on what the pillars are of the transformation that you provide to clients. And if you're a business consultant or coach, then you definitely are causing a transformation in someone's business. And if your offer is missing this, then you're probably missing out on sales and client breakthroughs. Now, let me tell you a story about an ancient alchemist, Alaric. Alaric was the best elixir lad in the land. He had a thriving business and people would come to him because of his amazing elixirs that created amazing results for their life. But his secret wasn't just in the couple of ingredients that he used, it was actually in how he put those ingredients together. A precise combination of elements which resulted in his customers getting extraordinary results in their life. First, he gathered the purest water from the spring. He found the golden herbs, which were actually pretty common in the town. And then Alaric included his secret ingredient, a rare flower known only to him that he'd been tending in his garden for years and years and years, using just the right amount of sunlight, just the right amount of water and nutrients. When he combined these 3 things together in a perfect harmony, it allowed for his customers who would drink the elixir to get exactly what they wanted in life. Why am I telling you this story? It's because your coaching is just like Alaric's elixir. There are going to be some elements that might be common, but it's the way that you're combining them together in a unique formula that's going to get your clients results. And some of the parts might be, like Alaric, pretty common: spring water, golden herbs, but then some of them are going to be like his secret flower. And you too are going to have your own secret formula that's going to work to get your clients the best results. And then when you're presenting this, you want to present it very clearly in those 3 phases of transformation. So for instance, let's just say my formula to get amazing results in business is that we need to have a leads mechanism plus a sales mechanism plus a retention algorithm. And when we combine these things together, it leads to your business having an effervescent flow. So when you're building your offer, you want to make sure that you're including a formula, a unique pillar system that shows how your client is going to get from one side to the other. Now, the second part is community, but not community in a low ticket membership type of way, which is very popular right now with school is very popular right now. That's good. And if you want to do that low ticket offer with a membership, by all means, go for it. What's more important than the membership is actually the community that is included with it. And so my recommendation to most business coaches, if they're starting out or if they have amazing results and they don't want to dilute their time, is that you still want to go for these higher ticket clients who are really ready to be involved in an epic community. Because if you're only charging $20 per month, $100 per month, people might not show up. They might not care. And so you want to build a community where people love to come back to, and you want to include that in your offer. And now that we have an offer formula and we have a solid community, the third thing here is going to be templates. Hold on. Imagine your future clients are chefs in a kitchen. They might have some amazing ingredients, right? They're high performers or they're already successful in some way. For the results that they want to get with you, they're missing a few key recipes. They don't know the exact structures, the exact checklists in order to get those results. Guiding people with these formulas and these templates and these checklists is the way to have them cook the food that they want to cook. And if you're not including checklists already, you're probably missing out on better results for your clients, because in planes, it used to be super dangerous to fly. And then they implemented a checklist. And the result is that planes are probably more safe now than it is to drive in a car. And the reason is because they put every security check inside of that checklist. So now when a plane takes off, they've already gone through an exhaustive checklist, a step-by-step pathway to flying safely. And you can do that same thing for your clients so that they can just take what works and implement it in their own kitchen. And these templates can include email templates or landing page examples, calendar descriptions, content, and more. And this is where the hidden tool comes into play. Because instead of just giving them scripts and email templates and landing page examples, what if you could just give them the email automations, the landing pages, the calendars already pre-built, plug and play, basically ready to go? Well, that's exactly what allowed my client to add $24,000 a year to her business without creating really anything new. We took all of her email templates, we took all of her landing page examples, we put them into a tool called GoHighLevel. If you haven't heard of this tool before, or if you have, maybe you haven't considered this use case for it. This tool pretty much replaces every tool that a coach or a consultant might need in their tech stack. I'm talking about email automation, calendar scheduling, landing pages, purchase forms, invoicing, pipeline tracking, ad attribution, membership portal, community platform, and so much more. The best part about this model of GoHighLevel, they don't want you to sell a GoHighLevel. They want you to subscribe to their service, and then you get to white label their pre-built software and have your clients paying you every single month. So instead of your clients spending money on Calendly and Kajabi and ClickFunnels and ConvertKit and Zapier or ActiveCampaign, eventually adding up to a subscriptions list a mile long, they actually just get to use one software that has all of the things that they need with your pre-built templates so they can implement your solution faster, easier, and it's ready to roll. And what this means for your coaching business is that you sell your program, let's say anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 per coaching engagement, and then you help your clients to implement this software. And then once the terms of that engagement are over, your clients are still continuing to pay you month after month after month because this tool has become actually useful inside of their business. It's actually leading to additional results that they want to get. So if you're ready to get started with GoHighLevel and build your monthly recurring revenue machine, then go ahead and click in the description, 14-day trial, 30-day trial. It's gonna be one of those two. And just so you know, I do get a commission if you end up using the service as a customer. For my own, so you know, I have been using this software with clients for the past 4 or 5 years, basically since it came out. And so you can trust that it's a very stable platform as far as it's not going anywhere if you haven't heard of it before. And it has probably created millions of dollars for my clients that have used it. It literally resulted in millions of dollars of revenue. If you start to include all 4 of the pieces that I talked about today inside of your coaching offer, a unique formula, a community, templates, and then a recurring monthly subscription tool, software. If you include all that in your offer and you subscribe to the channel, then you will absolutely grow your monthly recurring revenue, grow your coaching business. And if you like this type of content and you have a burning frustration that's stopping you from growing your coaching or consulting business, go ahead and drop that into the comments. I will see you next time.